What's up, team? Cruise Control. Time to learn the sit-up, get-up. What are those? All right, let's go ahead and break that movement down. So thing number one, rolling back. We need to be very comfortable rolling on to the floor. So we're gonna start with a nice wide stance, however wide you physically like to squat. From here, we're just dropping down to the bottom of a nice controlled squat. Then you're gonna roll onto your back. So let's spend a minute here just working on that basic transition, all right? So once again, meet me on your feet, put those arms out for balance, sit down to the bottom of a squat, and then roll onto your back, and then sit up. All right, so that's step number one. Step number two, we're gonna try to channel that momentum to help ourselves stand up from the floor. So we're gonna do what's called a candlestick. So for these, same deal, nice controlled squat, arms in front for balance. We're gonna kick our feet up, and then we're gonna come down to the floor and try to land. If you can do that, then you pretty much have the sit-up, get-up nailed into place. But for some of us, we might need to progress just a little bit more, all right? So once again, hands in front, sit it down, nice squat, toes up, and then try to get those heels on the floor. If you're not quite that snappy, mobility might also be a limiting factor. So you can use your hands to help you out. Let's try it out. So for these, same deal, sit it down, feet up, and then I'm gonna press into the floor to give myself a little bit of an assist to stand myself up. Once again, squat, candlestick, press, and stand it up. If you're an advanced athlete, maybe if this is easy for you, you can kick it up a notch and you can do a single leg sit-up, get-up, or a pistol sit-up, get-up. So let's see how my legs are feeling today. Reach in front, down, and stand up. Nice and easy like that. All right, guys, we got a little bit of time to practice during our workout. Let's get after it.